Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. I haven't stopped crafting, just Christmas crafting. Stay tuned. Before anything else, I want to say thank you to everyone who has made a decision to subscribe to my channel. 4 years ago when I started this channel, I never would have dreamed that I would be at 150,000 subscribers. But 4 years later, here we are. Each of you has options on what you can be doing with your time, what channels you can be watching, what channels you can choose to subscribe to. And I am eternally humbled and honored that you have chosen to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. I'll never be able to say it enough, but thank you. Even though I'm not doing any more Christmas craft videos this year, I will still be uploading videos. I will still be offering informative and helpful content for the rest of the year. I'm just not doing any more Christmas crafts because I think we're down to the wire on that. But I did want to hop on really quickly today because this video has been very well received and you guys have left a lot of positive comments. Some of you have already made it and given it, and you've received some wonderful feedback. A lot of you are thinking about using the idea for your 2023 Christmas craft fairs, and I think that that is awesome. So I wanted to take a really quick moment to share with you some of the other awesome stockings that you can find at the Dollar Tree if you happen to be shopping in a Dollar Tree. Don't just stop at the red and white ones. Have a look around the entire store because they have them spaced out. Pay attention to what's on the end caps because they also have them on the end caps. So I'm going to give you a closer look at these so you'll have an idea of some of the options that you'll have for 2023. If you see these, go ahead and stock up now instead of waiting until next year to grab them. All right, y'all, so I'm going to run through these very quickly just to give you an idea of some of the stockings that you should be looking for when you're in the Dollar Tree. They have the red and white ones, but they have so many more. And actually, I love all of them. They had some Disney themed ones. I didn't get those. I left those in the store, but they do have quite a selection of Disney themed stockings. So if you know a Disney lover, these are great for that. But seriously, if you're thinking about doing any type of a craft fair next year, or you want some unique ways to give your gifts, go ahead and pick up some of these stockings if you happen to be in the Dollar Tree because they might not offer the same ones next year. And even though I got mine from the Dollar Tree, guys, you can find Christmas stockings or stockings anywhere at this time of the year. So just pay attention to the stores that you're in, look around, find the best bargain that's available to you, and then stock up if you think that it's something you want to use next year, or if you want to wait it out until the day after Christmas or the week after Christmas. You might even be able to find these at a really deep discount. So I like all of these, and I can see the potential in all of these. The first one has a nice linen feel to it. The stocking itself is more of a light tan color, and then the red on it is a very, very muted and soft red. It's not a very vibrant red, but it's a gorgeous little bag that when dressed will look fabulous. So on the front we have this. On the back we have fleece or felt, but it really is a nice stocking and it will make a really cute bag. The same for this one. This one is a very nice soft black and tan, light tan, made just like this one. And when you flip it over, you have that fleece or felt on the back. And then I love this one. It has the faux fur at the top, and then it has a flannel look to it, black and red. Even though it has the fur on the top, you can definitely dress this up to give it a very masculine look. And on the back, it is solid red. And then I saw this one and I thought it would be perfect for those who like a lot of glam and glitz. You can make them a special little stocking. It's filled with gold sequins, has that fake fur at the top. Then when you flip it over, it is a very light brown on the back. This too would make a very beautiful and very decorative bag. And then my last two are snowflake stockings. They have that canvasy feel to them and it's stamped with snowflakes. So we have the red one and it is a deep red. And the top has a nice velvety feel to it. and on the back it's just solid red. And then we have another one that has the lighter background with the red snowflakes and the nice velvety top with the red background. So no matter which one you choose, you might choose to get all of them, or you might choose to buy a bunch of one type. No matter which one or ones you choose, that idea of turning these into gift bags for next year is such a unique way to give gifts, or to have that unique item on your craft fair table for your Christmas 2023 craft fair. I know we haven't even gotten through Christmas 2022 yet, but I like to think about the things that I'll be able to purchase on discount for any upcoming season, whether it's Christmas or Valentine's Day, Easter, Thanksgiving. I'm always thinking about what can I purchase to set aside to pull out next year so that I can pay a steep discount instead of the price that it would be offered for when it's current season. So again, thank you so much for choosing to subscribe to my channel. If you haven't seen the stocking videos, I'm going to have both of them linked in the description box below. There are actually two of them. One of them is the Santa bag. The second one has a drawstring bag that you can make using these bags. So check that out as well, because if you're looking for some last minute presentation ideas, that is a good video to watch as well. So guys, I hope that even though we didn't do a craft today, I hope that you have enjoyed seeing some of the other stockings that you're able to find out there, not just at the Dollar Tree. Look around the stores in which you shop. I'm sure you'll find some that you really like. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel. As always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.